Welcome to my channel. So we have to learn burning effect in Photoshop. So I have captured some raw images from my garden. This is the first image. We have to convert this into fire effect. So this is our result. Now just open your Photoshop CC. First import your image. This is our raw image, and now just copy this layer by pressing Ctrl and J. Now select first layer and select quick selection tool, and now select the subject area. After selecting the area, we'll press delete and enter. This will delete image or subject. This will take some time. After deleting this image, then select layer 1 above the background layer, and then press Ctrl J to copy the selected area. Now delete layer 1 because that is of no use. So now press on select layer 2 and then again copy the layer 2 because we have to apply liquify on first layer. So select on layer 2 and click on filter and then select liquify. Now just spread the flower. Then press OK. So we have to apply brush on this area. Press Ctrl I to convert this into black. Now select brush tool. We have to download some brushes for fire. I have already downloaded. Link for the brushes is in my description, so you can download it from there. This is the set of 25 brushes. You can freely download that. Now after downloading, we have to load that brushes into our presets, Photoshop presets. So copy that downloaded brushes into the presets and then load particular brush. So there is an option for loading. I have already loaded. So let's start it with the brush. Now there are 20 set of brushes, so depending on your choices you have to select particular brush. My favorite brush is this, so I will apply this. Make sure that you are apply on layer 2 copy. You have to apply on layer 2 copy. After that you have to select layer 2, but first we have to apply on layer 2 copy. We have to arrange some part of upper flower. And now after selecting layer 2, you are ready to apply brush. But for that you need to convert that fire into yellow color. So we will change the color of flower. So click on master button and then select particular color which you have to change. So I am selecting red layer and then converting to particular color. So I need yellow color, yellow and orange. So I am trying to get that. So after applying raw filter image, we will convert this into more suitable file. So apply 2 or 3 times same layer. This particular image, this is the resultant image for our fire effect. So now you can export this image to your folder. We have to apply liquify carefully because this will show in our fire brush. There is small line, we need to again clarify it. So select on liquify and then again correct it. We need to apply smooth liquify for that, so I am correcting again and again. So this is the final result. Now you can apply camera raw filter over this and you will get final result. This is the camera raw filter to improve your image. So this will look original. So this is my Instagram page. You can follow me on Instagram, Jitsography. I have already uploaded this image to my Instagram. Thanks for watching.